and show you all these things on currencies. Okay, so this is euro dollar hourly chart. We've seen we had this flash surge in euro dollar late in the year, thin liquidity. Thin liquidity plus well, and the holidays plus some covering. End of year adjustment. We reached a high of 106.50, and that's sort of high resistance for you. 105.20, the veteran line that was low in December 2015, is the next line. 104.60 still remains relevant in my opinion. That was the low of March 2015, and the new low. Well, we had a dip yesterday, didn't go too far. We had a new 14-year low for euro dollar at 103.40. I would still watch out for 103.50. On the road to euro dollar parity, we have 101.50, a line back from 2002. Let's continue from euro dollar to pound dollar. Pound dollar, well, trading in lower ground, 122.65. Just at the moment, 122, the round number, provides support after working as such in the dying days of 2016. Resistance, another round number of 123. Look how it worked as resistance, also the last days of 2016, and also early in 2017. Above that, we have 123.80, which capped the pair and worked also as support in 2016, well, in December. And far above that, we have resistance at 125.20. To the downside, I would mention 121 round number and another round number at 120. So lots of round numbers around pound dollar. Let's move to dollar yen. Here we're at the highs, well, retreating from the highs, currently 117, almost 90. Well, 117.80 is support. It's followed by a much lower level of 116, used to be a line in the sand for the Bank of Japan, and far below that we have 114.80. Looking up, because that's the trend at the moment, we have 118.70, which was the peak back in the middle of December, just after the Fed, and above that, the very round number of 120. Okay, let's move to commodity currency, starting with dollar CAD. So, currently 134.24, capped by 134.60. In recent days, that has been the level at which the pair failed to breach. Further above, the round number of 135, followed by 135.60. And 136, so it's a bit busy there. We're seeing pair sort of turning around. To the downside, we have 133.80 and 133.20, followed by 132.35, much lower. Of course, the round number of 130 is far, far below. All right, continue to the Aussie dollar. Aussie dollar, after, well, 2016 was so slow for this pair. Now it's at, well, it did fall to new lows. We're seeing clear support here, double, perhaps triple bottom at 71.60. Okay, so that's strong support there. Below that, we have the 71 level. Looking up, we have 72.50. Now we're seeing the pair breaking above this level. Okay, and next resistance, 73.10 and 73.75, an old number. So we're seeing an attempt, a recovery attempt by the Australian dollar. Okay, Kiwi dollar, currently 69.33, still under 70. 69.80 is resistance, followed by 70.40. So the round number of 70 in this case, the round number is not that relevant. Next resistance, 71, followed by 71.40. To the downside, we have 68.80, and it's followed closely by 68.60. Okay, so these are levels to watch on the Kiwi dollar. Seems to have found a bottom over there, at least for now. And the last of our majors is dollar Swiss. I'm not a big fan of the Swiss franc because it suffers intervention by the Swiss National Bank. But anyway, still worth mentioning the technical levels here. Resistance is clear at 103.30. This is not a new line. Support at 102.10. Okay, so this is the current range. Remember, it's prone to intervention. Further support 101.40 and 100.60. Okay, these are the levels to watch. Perhaps further resistance at 105. much higher in the sky. Okay, so this concludes our major pairs.